Hi, this is Brenda, and I am responding to Lenora's question, which is from Mini Quiz 3-1, page 116 from the text. Question number 2. Which of the following is a valid name for a variable? Well, what I've done is I've gone in here inside our main form, and I've went ahead and created 4 that represent the actual answers. And I just gave them data types as I would see fit in a program if I were actually coding this. Then I went ahead and added 2 more variations just to discuss the possibilities of what those would or would not be valid. So to start off, all I got to do is just delete the little comment outline, and that makes it active. And if you'll notice, there's a red line that shows up underneath last names. You also notice down here in the place where we review the errors that it's got a problem. It doesn't have an end because what happens is you have a special character right in the middle. So this is not a correct answer. So I'll go ahead and undo the next one. And so we're just going to clear out the comment and it becomes active. And as you can see, there's a little red squiggly line underneath the 1. And that means you can't start a variable name with a number. So you can't start with a number and you can't have a special character inside of it. That's so far what we've ruled out. And I'm going to go ahead and skip down to the number 4, option number 4. And I'm going to show that there's a squiggly line underneath the dot. And that's part of the special characters again. So you can't have a dot, because remember, a dot means that you're applying a method to a variable or some other, lost the keyword on me right now. But the key here is that a dot it's a dot operator, and therefore it has a special purpose. You can't use that here. So that means if we remove it off of this one here, we see that sales underscore 2018 has no red squiggly lines underneath it, and it didn't create an extra error code here at the bottom. And if you notice, there are 3 errors with the X's, and each one of those 3 are actually associated with those first 3 that I uncommented out. So I'm going to just address a couple more things, which is you can have an uppercase or a lowercase letter, and you can have a number in your actual variable. It just can't start with a number. And then the last thing, and some people don't know this one, is that you can have an underscore, and that's what that little dash means. And you can have an underscore before your first letter or number, and it is still a valid nomenclature for a variable name. I hope that clears everything up for everyone, and thank you very much.